Today we'll be reviewing the song Chronic Lossing called Empty, and yeah, let's get straight into it.
We lose nothing, but now get it back. We feel empty, me heart heavier. Daddy want know if me strap, me can't tell him that.
Here he says he's lost a lot of things and he's not getting it back. He's probably also lost his soul due to the coldness of the streets. He's empty, but his art is emptier. So there's nothing in it, no love.
And it's hard up away. We now wait for calm off the beat. Pain in my chest and all of my G. Dance now go on, but the wire off the cape.
And here he says it's harder for we. And when he says we, I don't know who's we, but he says we. And then it says the war, Patinagwan, but the war has to keep. Which means even if there's no party keeping, the war is always keeping 24/7. War is always on. And here he's saying if you should win on karma to do something for you, they'll never die. The ops will never get it, you know. It's like almost intangible.
If I just die, couldn't not go believe. Yeah, and so this scheme said we see 16 and no reach 15 yet. See crime scene and never no movie I make. We see real blood, there's some around flesh.
Here he says Reed had 16 and he hasn't been come 15 as yet, so he's probably already fired at 16 before the age of 15 as well. Saw real blood there, never movie making, so that's not catch up right there. Then he goes on with the wordplay and says, so the scheme set, you know, a scheme construction set like cement.
I miss the dog and cat turn rat. Missy man I use and I try stop gunshot. Family stop, family lungs punch out. Missy my love gone and guess what? Me never yet see it come back.
He mentions here like voodoo before him. He's seen his dogs and cat teas turn to rats, which are informers in front of him, and family stab family, lungs fracture and stuff. Again, just a reminder that the streets are cold and love hearts are empty.
Lose no things, but now get it back. But feel empty, me heart heavier. Daddy want know if me strap, me can't tell him that. The abnormal like a fire regular.
Again, here he says he feels empty and his heart is heavier, so it's kind of empty as well. It's just a heavy heart is not a healthy thing. So, and then it says, his daddy want to know if he's strapped. He can't really let him know that, you know. He doesn't want to break his heart like him.
When I search for love, it's already gone. I'm off afraid of the brain when I see many storms. The past 20 and left it 30 belly cars. You don't really see the major one more bar.
He also points out he's not searching for love. He knows love is already gone, and he can't complain about rainy days when he's seen a lot of storm. You know, storm, rainy days. It's like cat and mouse, big bank, little bank. He can't lift a 38 with 20 some age reference when, you know, Glock numbers and age.
And it's hard off away. Why if you dead now? We now wait pan calm off you do it. Pain in my chest and all of my J. I'm a tears flood the place and the raindrops. Me carry burden where every damn base box. Me numb now, me no feel like pain and me lose now things me can't see again.
Here he's referring to, you know, being numb. He doesn't feel like pain hurts anymore. So he's been through it, and also he's carried burdens that's heavier than bass box. You know, those sound systems they're using Sound Clash. You know, the drum pans, the tall sound systems like skyscrapers. Yeah, his pain is equivalent to that.
Fire gunshot for all of my nigga them. I need anything, I need cigarette. End up I trick myself to start live again. And it's harder for me. Me day uptown with a king size bed in my yard and a slave.
Here he says he's firing gunshots for all of his niggers, and yep, he basically salutes them for all those fallen soldiers and stuff. You know, classical stuff. He also lives in a king size bed in his yard and doesn't sleep because he can't sleep at night, obviously, due to the torment.
Watch him man crowd that we have a police. Girl run program dark up the street. Yeah, the Benz bad but me a park up the base. Can't study me.
Here he's letting you know that similar to guys, girls are very good at skilled at IT stuff, running that old Python programming and that C++. Yep, it's very scary and true. The Benz looks good, but he's, driving out the Jeep, he's not feeling the attention today.
Me know where the party I gone, but me nah go for real. Listen this babe, so me just level little down guinea pig cage. Me a roll one spliff and I build it with pain.
So I've rolled a few spliffs in my days, and I'm still rolling a few, and he's rolling a spliff skinnier than guinea pig cage. I'd like to see that. I roll some skinny spliffs as well.
I see too much things driving me insane. Yeah, me see them a play, but me no do the ring games. She say them cool, but me travel with flames. If I no runway, no feel modeling save me.
Says here if it's not runway, he doesn't think modeling is safe, so it's not very good to pose on the corner like Domino, else you'll get that drive-by, that shooting and stuff. Yeah, modeling, it's not his thing. He's a more of a, in a car guy, in a house or some buildings type shit. And I tell you, stay off the corner, kids. It's not safe. Get into school.
No, inna the posing or chatting with K for me here, K. Rapid it a fire, probably retire from the music and go live a client. Tie them up with science, but if I never move me prior, them kill me and quiet.
Here he mentions Bashi, and he mentions that he ties up his clients with Obia to get that money. He's kind of a scammer. You mix it in that dark stuff, you're gonna mingle with the lottery scamming and the fraudulent activities. He mentions they tried to kill him if it wasn't for his mother's prayers, covering him. Jesus again in the play here.
But by the K, the belly big and it now go on diet. We lose now things, but now get it back. We feel empty, me heart heavier. Daddy want know if me strap, me can't tell him that. The abnormal like a fire regular.
So that's about wraps it up, guys. The thermal Glock flying regular. That's a comparison there, like a contrast comparing the abnormal Glock to the regular fire ration of the ammunition in that gun. And yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what track I should review next, okay? Peace.